There we go. Cool. I was doing the other side. So here we go. So for this expansion installation, you need a screwdriver. So this is where the M.2 drive goes. So you need like a drive like this. So let's get started. So first we need to unscrew this, like not here. Make sure you keep the screwdriver safe and the cover safe as well. So we need to reattach it after it's done. Okay, so depending on the size of your M.2 drive, you need to put this screw here. Yep. So there should be two things. One is the screw, one is the actual like base for the screw to go in. So you should first get an idea where your thing should go. So mine should go at 80. So I'm just going to put the base at 80 here. There we go. Then you get your M.2 drive. Just be careful. This is a catches so you can break your M.2 drive. You put it in an angle like this. Push it in. Now it's in. Push it down. There we go. So now it's installed.